All Naga Students Association Manipur Ansam today submitted a memorandum to Manipur Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalla expressing their dissent over the fencing of Indo-Myanmar border along Naga inhabited areas of Manipur. Speaking to media at Manipur Press Club after meeting with Governor, President of Ansam Th Angtesang Maring said Naga community will not remain silent against Centre's initiative to fence the Indo-Myanmar border. While asserting that fencing cannot stop influx of illegal immigrants, Angtesang Maring stressed on the need to carry out NRC exercise in the state to identify and deport illegal immigrants and refugees from the state, further demanding halt at border fencing work along Naga inhabited areas. Angtesang Maring also urged Center to bring back free movement regime in Naga inhabited areas in Manipur. He also informed that Ansam had also demanded Governor to end the ongoing violent conflict in the state and to restore peace. Governor also reportedly gave assurance to look into the demands of Ansam.
With this ongoing violence, after May 3rd, the government of India has decided to control the illegal immigrants with the adoption of the border fencing. This is somehow illogical. If they're really concerned enough, they should go for the implementation of the NRC. The India being a democratic country, they should have the space, they should have the consultation room to consult with the stakeholders and to hear, to learn the democratic voice of the people. Without doing that, it is very unconstitutional. If the government of India still goes on the border construction, the Nagas will not remain silent. We will take up various kind of agitation. By taking this, by saying this, we are not against the government, but against the decision to supersede the rights of the indigenous people. So we are here standing up for the rights of the Nagas. We will continue standing up for our rights till our voice is heard. So we will go on, we'll keep on rising, we'll keep on demanding to stop this border fencing construction and reinstate the free movement regime in Naga areas.